Thutha wa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 30 ya uthuthuria wa njanjo ya kuhurana na murimu wa malaria, riu kuri na mwihoko munene ati murimu uyu wahota kuuga kaimana tugikinyiria mwaka wa 2030 thutha wa ruhonge rwa WHO kuhitukia uhuthiri wa njanjo ya malaria thĩ yothe. Kuringana na mutaaramu wa maundu megii murimu uyu gitaru-ini kia Africa Dr Willis Akwale, njanjo ino ni gukorere na kiguni kinene makiria guku bururi-ini kuria icigo-ini cia Nyanza na Western na Mombasa ikoragwo ing'etheirwo ni ugwati munene wa murimu uyu.
This is a great milestone of our lifetime to have got this vaccine which during clinical trials was shown to be around 40% effective. But even with that, we believed at that time that it would be of great value to the war against malaria.
Akwale augite njanjo ino ni ya ciana iria iriheagwo iri na mieri 6, mieri 7, mieri 9 na thutha wa miaka 2.
Each of these doses is costing $7. So the four of them will be like $28 before you add the cost of transportation and other logistics. So $30 is which is like slightly over 3,000 shillings just for the cost before other logistics is not going to be easy for many countries in Africa to access.
Kuringana na WHO, thutha wa ndagika 2 mwana umwe ni akuaga ni undu wa murimu wa malaria. Matanya manene ari uheani wa njanjo ino no kunyihia ikuire ciumanaga na murimu uyu thiini wa thi.
Now this vaccine is going to save lives of the young people in this country. Because that is where it has been shown.
Thĩ yothe andu 400,000 nio makuaga o mwaka kumana na murimu uyu, guku namba nene ya ikuũ ici ari cia kuuma gitaru-ini kia Africa. Guku bururi-ini andu makiria ma milioni 1.8 nio marwarite murimu uyu, na o mwaka andu 10,700 nio makuaga.
We want to thank the Kenyan researchers who have been very instrumental. I also was part of the very early trials in this country. So for us, it's really an exciting moment.
Mwaka-ini wa 2019 niguo mihango ya kugeria njanjo ino yambĩrĩirie bururi-ini wa Kenya, Malawi na bururi-ini wa Ghana, kuria gukinyaniria na riu ciana 800,000 ni irikitie kwamũkĩra njanjo ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.